friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to share you with what are the benefits of using PYQOnline.com. So now the question comes is, what is PYQOnline.com? So PYQOnline.com is a website where you can access free resources of board papers, universities and all type of the competitive exam. Secondly, now which board does PYQ Online covers? So our PYQ Online covers almost all the board, total board from CBSE, ICSE to Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Mizoram, Meghalaya and so many. Now the third question, which university does PYQ Online covers? So our PYQ Online covers almost all the university all over the India. Alright, so now the fourth question is, which exam does the PYQ Online covers? So our PYQ Online covers almost all the exams from all over the India. Alright, don't forget to check our website. We provide you everything from model paper to mock test to notes and solutions to all the PYQs. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload our new video. Okay, till then, keep studying, take care and bye bye.